Welcome students, today is grammar lecture and today we will learn about essay writing. And students, you know very well composition means how we can write an essay, application, letter or other different things. And essay means an attempt or effort. Essay means an attempt or effort. An attempt or effort means koshish karna. As you know students very well, basically essay is the name of creativity. Essay is the creation of mind. We cannot learn essay, but we can create essay while thinking different features of given topic. Students, we can write essay on anything, object, personality or different places. When we want to write essay on anything or object, first we think about the features, use and purpose of that thing. And if we want to write essay on personality, we think about his relationship, his profession, his duty, his performance, uh, and his living style. Then we can create appealing essay. And when we want to write essay on any place, firstly we think about where that place is situated, which type of place is it, how that place looks. While thinking different features of that place, we can create essay. And students, when we want to create essay on any place, we mostly use present tense, but we want to tell about the past events regarding this place. If that place is historical, then we can use past tense, but mostly we use present tense. Today we will create essay on place my house. Students, firstly we think about all features about house, where house is situated, how it looks, or for which purpose we use house. Then we can create appealing sentences. Like firstly, look at the definition of house. Here we can say that a house is that place where we live with our family. It is called house. Next we can say that my house is beautiful. I live in a big house. Next we can we write about where our house is situated. We can say that my house is in Farrukhabad. Next we can write about the structure of house. We can say that my house has many rooms like drawing room, bedroom and kitchen. We can also write it has dining room and study room also. There is one TV lounge in my house. Next we can write about my house is very comfortable and secure place for me. Next we can write about its decoration. My house is well furnished. And we can write about the rooms, how the rooms of a house looks. The rooms of my house are airy and well ventilated. Next we can write about the outside scene of house. My house is surrounded by beautiful garden outside with trees, small plants and flowers. Next we can write when my house was built. My house was built 1 year ago. Next we can write about how many stories it has. My house has 2 stories. Next we can say that my house is the best house of our colony. I proud of my house. Like these sentences you can create a lot of sentences according to given topic. Hopefully students you got my point. In order to create appealing essay, firstly we will think about all features, use and purpose of given topic. Then we can create appealing essay. And students, you will create essay in paragraph form, or you will create maximum 15 lines. Whether this essay in Urdu or English, you will write maximum 15 lines and you will create essay in paragraph form. And students, in order to create essay on any given place, firstly we think about all features and the scene of that place, where that place is situated, like all these features. While thinking all these features, we can create appealing essay. And now students, you will create essay on Badshahi Mosque. It is historical place. So you will create 15 lines in paragraph 1.